Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to share your playlist on Spotify. So right now I'm on Spotify's home screen, and at the bottom, as you can see, there are 4 icons: home, search, your library, and premium. So for right now, we're going to need the your library icon. So we're going to click on it. And as you can see, these are my 2 playlists. And now you pick one of your playlists that you want to share. I'm gonna pick my playlist number 1. And right under the picture, there's an option enhance, an icon with like a person and a plus sign, and then a 3 dots icon. We're gonna click on the 3 dots icon. And as you can see, there are a lot of options like add songs, edit, make private, add to profile, delete playlist, share, invite collaborations. So we're going to click on share. And when you click on this, you have options like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, messages, and you can even copy link and share it on other platforms. And that's about it. That's how you share your playlist. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Goodbye, guys.